Here we have section 4.2, exercise 4, and in exercise 4, we just want to find the sum j equals 4 to 6 of 3 over j. Well, just putting things in there, it says take 3 over 4 plus 3 over 5 plus 3 over 6. And, well, I need a common denominator of 4, 6, the common denominator there's 12, but then the 5, so we need 60. So top and bottom by 15 on this first one, you get 45 over 60, plus 12 on the top and bottom there, so that's 36 over 60, and 10 top and bottom here, so 30 over 60. That is, let's see, 81 and 30 is 111 over 60. Well, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, so both top and bottom are divisible by 3. And so that's 3 into 11, 3 times 21 would be 7. So 37 over 20. And now as a decimal, well, there's 1 and 17 over 20, so 17 over 20, multiply everything by 5, I guess. That'd give me over 100. So 17 times 5 is 85. So 1.85. Okay, so there's our answer. Well, it says, hey, check it with your technology. And so here, now I wrote it twice. We get 1.85 both times here. I wrote it twice because this n equals 4 is what comes up, but I wanted to show you can change it. So, so if you enter here, there are a couple ways to get that summation. One is to pull up the keyboard thing here, and if you go to functions and miscellaneous, there's a sum, and then I can fill in the numbers. All right, so 4, and go up here, and oops, go up. There we go. Go up there and fill in 6. And then just go down beside it here and do the 3 divided by n. And there's the 1.85. Okay, so that was how I did the very first one. But then with the j's, well, and then the other way to get the summation there is to just type SUM. And then once you do, it does that. But notice the default, it makes an N. But if I backspace over that, I can choose a different letter. So J equals, equals, and then it was 4, there we go, 4 to 6. And then 3 divided by J. I need the J there. And we get to 1.85. So, so you can get that sum either by typing SUM or going into this keyboard thing that's on Desmos and finding the sum symbol. Either way will work. Also, with the Sage Cell Server, so I came in here and I made J a variable. Again, I could have used N, I could have used K, whatever. Made J a variable, and then I said let S be the sum of 3 over J. Sounds good, that's what we wanted. And then I put in the limits here. One, I had to tell it just like we have to tell our summation notation, what's the actual variable. Okay, it's J. And then from where to where, 4 to 6. And so we get our 3 over J, and then I said show S, and it came up as a fraction. So then I said show S dot n with the parentheses is a numerical equivalent or numerical estimate. And we got the 37 over 20 and the 1.85. Okay, so the technology, we can see how to do it, and also that it corroborated our results. Okay, so that's number 4.